Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one is a Cosmos Black Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, 64 color ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set to all season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Also included in the Premium 1 package are our dual 10.25 high resolution monitors for our instrument cluster and for our media display, which is now touchscreen. Got a rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX, which is our Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice command by saying, "Hey my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We've got dual climate controls, USB port, cup holders, our new design touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLB 250 has 4,687 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250, check out feldmannimports.com.